The expression jurisdiction within the meaning of the code means the power of a criminal court to try a person for commission of a criminal act. In other words, the power and extent of authority of the court to try the cases is called jurisdiction. The jurisdiction of a criminal court includes the power to try cases, award punishments, impose fines, and also to grant the relief asked for. Section 2J of the code defines local jurisdiction as local jurisdiction in relation to a court or magistrate means the local area within which the court or magistrate may exercise all or any of its or his powers under this code, and such local area may comprise the whole of the state or any part of the state as the state government may by notification specify. For effective and sound administration of criminal justice, state is divided into suitable territorial units. For these territorial units, separate courts have been established for disposal of the cases, keeping in view the size of the state, the distance of courts from the place of crime, and difficulties of transport in the interior. The inquiry or a trial in respect of any offence should ordinarily take place in the nearest court. If the trial is conducted in the nearby court, it could be convenient to both the prosecution and the defense. Therefore, section 177 of the code lays down that every offence shall ordinarily be inquired into and tried by a court within whose local jurisdiction it was committed. In other words, the general rule is every criminal court is provided with the territorial or local limits over which it can exercise jurisdiction. The bank and its officials were alleged to have committed offences under sections of the Indian Penal Code at Delhi. Complaint was filed at 24 Paraganas, South Calcutta. When it is uncertain in which several local areas an offence was committed, or where an offence is committed partly in one local area and partly in another, or where an offence is a continuing one and continues to be committed in more local areas than one, or where it consists of several acts done in different local areas, it may be inquired into or tried by a court having jurisdiction over any of such local areas. An offence was committed, but it is uncertain in which of the several local areas it was committed. An offence was committed partly in one local area and partly in another. When an act is an offence by a reason of its relation to any other act which is also an offence, or which would be an offence if the doer was capable of committing an offence, and these acts have been done in different local areas. The offences of being a thug or murder committed by a thug, or of dacoity or murder with dacoity, or being a member of a gang of dacoits, or escape from custody may be tried by a court within whose jurisdiction the offence was committed or is accused. Kidnapping or abduction may be tried within whose jurisdiction the person was kidnapped or abducted, or conveyed, concealed, or detained. An offence of bigamy was committed in one local area, the place where the offender last resided with his or her spouse by the first marriage was in another local area, and the place where the wife of the first marriage took up a permanent residence after the offence was committed in another local area. An offence is committed in the course of a journey or voyage, and the person by whom or the person against whom or the thing in respect of which the offence is committed passed into or through one or more local areas in the course of a journey or voyage. In all the above cases, the accused can be tried in any of the local areas. Where an offence is committed in pursuance of conspiracy, The court having jurisdiction to try that offence may try the offence of conspiracy even if it was committed outside its jurisdiction.